Welcome back to What If Science, the channel where we dive deep into the fascinating corners of hypothetical realities. Today, we're exploring a peculiar and mind-bending scenario. What if people aged backward for one day each year? Imagine, for just one day, time's arrow flips, and instead of growing older, we grow younger. Let's unravel this intriguing possibility together. Aging is a complex biological process influenced by a myriad of factors, from genetics to lifestyle. Scientists have long been intrigued by the mechanisms that drive aging, seeking ways to slow or even reverse it. But what if nature had built in a day of reverse aging for us? On this day, every cell in our body would rejuvenate, potentially erasing signs of aging and restoring youthful vitality. Let's picture the immediate effects of this phenomenon. On the surface, it sounds like a dream come true. Wrinkles would smooth out, gray hair would regain its original color, and any physical signs of aging would temporarily reverse. The impacts wouldn't just be cosmetic. Our internal systems would also rejuvenate. Imagine a day when your joints no longer ache, your vision sharpens, and your energy levels soar to those of your younger self. Psychologically, this annual event would be a profound experience. Knowing you have a day to relive a younger version of yourself could influence people's mental health positively, providing a respite from the burdens of aging. However, it could also lead to a yearning for youth, with people fixating on their reverse aging day, potentially overshadowing the value of growing older and the wisdom it brings. Society would undoubtedly adapt to accommodate this annual day of reverse aging. Special celebrations might emerge, with people marking the occasion in unique ways, perhaps reliving traditions from their youth or revisiting old haunts. Economically, industries could capitalize on this day, offering products and services tailored to the temporarily rejuvenated population. Over the years, this reverse aging process could have significant implications for our understanding of lifespan and health. If every cell in the body is rejuvenated annually, would this extend the average lifespan? Scientists might study these days closely, gleaning insights into the aging process that could lead to breakthroughs in longevity research. This scenario also raises complex ethical questions. If we could reverse aging, even for a day, what does it mean for the natural cycle of life and death? How would this affect population growth, resource allocation, and the environment? The philosophical debates would be endless, challenging our perceptions of life, aging, and mortality. On a personal level, this phenomenon would shape individual lives in profound ways. Families might plan annual gatherings on this special day, creating new traditions and memories. For those with age-related diseases, this day could offer a temporary reprieve, a glimpse back into a life less encumbered by illness. However, it's not all positive. The sudden shift in age could pose practical challenges. Legal documents, digital profiles, and personal identities are tied to our chronological age. How would the world verify someone's age if it fluctuated annually? Moreover, the psychological adjustment to rapidly shifting between ages could be disorienting, raising concerns about mental health and emotional well-being. Yet, this unique day could also serve as a catalyst for societal change. It might foster a greater appreciation for the aging process, encouraging a culture that values elder wisdom and experience. The shared experience of reverse aging could unite people across generations, breaking down age-related barriers and stereotypes. As we come to the end of this thought experiment, it's clear that a day of reverse aging each year would have far-reaching implications, from the personal to the societal, the scientific to the philosophical. While the idea is purely hypothetical, it invites us to reflect on our attitudes towards aging, the passage of time, and the value we place on different stages of life. Thank you for joining me on this intriguing journey through the what if. Here at What If Science, we're all about exploring the boundaries of imagination and science, and it's your curiosity that drives us to delve into these fascinating scenarios. If you enjoyed this exploration into the world of reverse aging, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support helps us keep the wonder alive, bringing you more thought-provoking content that challenges the way we see the world. So until next time, keep asking, what if? And remember, the most extraordinary discoveries often begin with a simple question. Stay curious, stay inspired, and let's continue to explore the endless possibilities together here on What If Science.